explanation text. Definition: explanatory text is a type of English text that contains how or why something happens. General structure. General statements. This section mentions what phenomenon will be explained. Sequential explanation. This section mentions a series of processes from an event. We are familiar to her to word rain. In fact, almost everything we know about the rain. Rain is water that comes down from the ski trunk of some of the process until the onset of the rains. The rains come at a certain period of time will cause many negative and a positive impact for human life and living things. Now we will explain about the process of the occurrence of rain. The process of the occurrence of rain is natural that makes up the rotation of the water on earth. When it rained, rain will pass through several stages through the various process of the occurrence of rain, so that rain can process running optimally and the rain will come down in a timely manner so as not to worry the citizens around the world await the arrival of the rain which is always waited. The rain has several steps to become the perfect rain, with some process of the occurrence of rains. The following is the process of the occurrence of rains. 1. Solar thermal or water evaporates. The sun is the most natural of the contents. The sun always illuminates the earth with the searing heat of it, so that the heat of the sun can of water like river and the sea evaporate into the water. Aside from the water of the lake, the river and the sea water evaporate into the water can also be caused from the human body, animal, and other objects containing water. 2. High temperature or water vapor becomes solid former clouds. Temperature in Indonesia include the high temperature as a result of the sun's heat will make the water vapor undergo condensation or accompanied and a dew. Dew is formed of small air points, so the higher temperature makes the dew from the dew more gather and solidified to form into clouds. According to the study of Nyberger in 1995, at this stage, drop of water has a size of a radius of about 5 to 20 millimeters. In this size of water droplets will fall with the speed of 0.01 to 5 cm seconds, while the speed of the air flow to the top is much higher, so that the drop of water will not fall to the earth. 3. With the help of the wind or a small cloud into a large cloud. The presence of wind from the air, which causes a hold that will help the clouds are moving to a different place. Wind provides a major influence on the clouds, so that it makes a small cloud igniting and then from longer again, and then moving to the sky or to a place that has a lower temperature. And the more granules accumulate cloud will change color to become increasingly gray. rain is formed, and increasingly cloud after the ground does as a result of water heaving and not unstoppable again will make the groundwater less fall to earth so that there was rain. Thanks. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.